Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you could buy gift cards from any store using Bitcoin. So basically it's this website called Bitrefill. The first one right here, gift cards with cryptocurrency. So right here, you could pick any store you want. Let's say I want to order some food to my house, go to Uber Eats. You can enter the amount, let's say like 20 Canadian dollar. Checkout. Put in your email address and then press continue to payment. Wait, once I'm gonna do that. Okay, once you put in your email address, you could pick what cryptocurrency you want to use. Or right here, you see it says connect wallet. You could connect your Phantom wallet, like basically any wallet, right? You can even connect these other wallets, but yeah, just pick whatever Bitcoin you want to use. Let's say this. It shows the amount of Bitcoin, and then pick the wallet you want to use and just pay for it. Yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.